Fredbear be Seuss mate?
I am very Seuss indeed.
Ash is quite Seuss too.
Is everyone Seuss?
Everyone is Seuss, especially me. I am super Seuss.
I have successfully infiltrated the base.
We is Seuss.
I was just vibing. Why did you do this? Well, I guess this is how I die.
This is where your story ends.
You all have been cyssed.
Dark can't die. He's immortal.
An immortal demon. I'm a freaking robot, bro.
Boom.
Bruh, really, that's not enough.
Are you done?
I don't know why I made this.
This is fucking true on a demon level.
I believe this is using the art you made of me.
Yep.
So you are saying when a troll comes I sleep, and when Dark's tea gets stolen I freak out. I'm the one who stole the tea. I make trolls' life's living hell.
Alright, I drew some stolen tea near you.
Oh.
My tea now, bitch.
Oh, hell no.
This is 10 levels of trueness.
Try me, British bastard.
Bold of you to assume I'm British mate.
Bold of you to assume I'm a mate.
Bold of you to assume I'm assuming, matey.
Let us commence forward. British?
Bold of you to assume I'm assuming.
Bold of you to assume you're assuming I'm assuming.
Bold of you to assume I'm assuming that you assuming.
Bold of you to assume I'm assuming you're assuming I'm assuming.
Bold of us to assume that we assuming.
Bold of you to assume we assume reality is real.
Bold of you to assume I'm real.
Dumb coughs.
Bold of you to assume this is real.
Bold of you to assume that that's your tea.
What the fuck?
Bold of you to assume I know that that's not my tea.
But like, I am having a war.
And I don't want to be included in this. I'm a go now.
Wait, what was the war about again?
I have tea at my house, but I don't share.
Exactly.
Tea.
Tea.
Tea. Dark Warrior Danger is now a Dorito.
What flavor?
Probably the discontinued Diablo flavored ones.
Don't turn me into a digestible object, no.
Oh god, maybe he's the spicy nacho flavor.
I knew getting that Doritos costume was worth it.
Well, very good for you, but there is consequences.
Wait. No, I don't want to be eaten. Told you. Don't eat me, no.
Teacher, what do you eat? B. It's hard to explain.
Dark, come here.
Here, I got this. There we go.
Yay.
What can I say except you're welcome?
It's beautiful.
How?
The Gummy Invasion.
Yes, let us begin our raid.
Oh no.
Well, can I steal the big gummy Ash?
No.
Okay, fine. Are you guys stealing Dark Warrior than just tea again?
No, it was from the fandom fridge, I swear.
Excuse me?
Dark, please fix the wall.
It was from the fandom fridge. The day I have no soul leave the FNAF fandom hotel, he said that from now on we can have some free dark tea every week.
Later, now what's this about my tea being stolen? No. Okay.
Was he pranking me, Dark? Did you allow that?
That might as well explain why I never got caught.
I remember when you said that.
I didn't. If it was from the fridge, then okay. But, if you took tea from my little fridge, that's a problem.
It was from the dark tea fridge in the hall. How did you not see it? It was next to the bathrooms.
I don't go in the hall.
But you have your own couch in the hall, remember?
The question is, do we live in a mansion? Like creepypastas? That would be actually pretty cool.
We live in a resort with hotels, restaurants, ramps, etc.
I moved that to my room. Slendy would be pissed to see me.
Remember when Nae wanted to move your couch to her chat post room? Not her room, her chat post room.
Huh.
FNAF fandom staff is losing money. I mean, every time trolls break our door, we have to buy another door, but it's good that LF is selling her drawings so we can still pay for our doors.
And Dark just broke the wall.
I need to update that. Sorry, I'll just get some money to help.
Dark, here, take these. Wait, we have an art room? Okay, you know what? I'm going to draw the entire fandom hotel. But I have so much drawings to do.
A Dorito?
I just realized I forgot to color the Dorito. It looks like a warning sign.
I do see Dark with a giant painting of tea. Oh my god, this room fits so well for Dark.
I'm not a Dorito.
Can I eat you lol?
Beware of the Tea-holic demon lord. No.
Dark the Tea-holic demon Dorito. I'm a draw it.
Not a Dorito.
Dark the Dorito. Only for $19.99.
No.
This is getting chaotic. Also, Dark Psychic Fredbear stole your tea again, and Carl wants his Puppitos back.
Got it. Carl, just get your Puppitos.
I'm not kidding, dude, it's been almost a day. Okay, thanks.
It's on my nightstand. Just get it, Velp.
I give you Dark's new profile picture. Hannah Montana. Nobody's perfect me. Hands the guy meme from this meme or whatever he is.
Funny.
Dark, you are a Dorito now.
No.
Yes.
The spicy ones.
He's a Tea-holic demon Dorito.
Me no Dorito.
Stop denying it, my buddy pal boy.
Okay, so we have Child Dark and Dorito Dark, two masterpieces that the Five Nights at Freddy's fandom has created. Dorito Dark is from yours truly.
Dorito Dark trademark.
Indeed.
There is also Best of Dark and Dark Tea.
Pissed.
Ah, yes.
Me no Dorito.
Why does this have so many replies?
I told you the fandom's on crack.
Bag of cringe.
The cringe has been deleted.
Nice. The node.
Which one?
The one on the right.
Yes, you will definitely regret it. So. Now where be my tea, ye bastard?
Hey now, don't point that gun at me.
Where be my tea at?
I don't know, man.
Now I don't want it anymore.
Okay, that's on you, man.
Okay, you might be asking why is there a rant part in Fandom on Crack, which is supposed to be a funny video series. I mean, it's my channel, who cares?
Vincent is glitch trap. I am dying inside.
I am already dead inside, but this is just pissing me off.
We stray further from real FNAF lore by the days.
I feel dead inside. I just mean, if they like the fandom lore more than the real lore, why do they still like Five Nights at Freddy's, considering the fandom lore is really different than the actual lore?
Exactly. Scott would be disappointed.
Whoever is that 20%, my respect for you just went way up, and the damn 80% deserves to get a smack in the head with a pan.
With the Doritos pan.
Not a pan. A fucking train.
Vincent, now that's a name I haven't heard in a long time. Seriously though, how has this not died yet?
Well, Vincent was a fan name for the purple guy before we knew his name was William, and even after the man behind the slaughter's name was revealed. There's people that know that William is his name, but they're more comfortable calling him by his fan name, so. Well, there is videos with both Vincent and William, and well, I'll shut up now.
What the heck, who is Vincent? Are they serious? If they are serious, please kill me. They believe to something stupid. Sure, the persons voted to William is Glitchtrap is fandom users also. I'm sure the people voted to Vincent is Glitchtrap is the people believes Crying Child is Shadow Freddy. That's all from me.
As far as I remember, Vincent is the name of Purple Guy in the Return to Freddy's series. It was an employee in Fazbear Incorporated from 1943 and worked with Torture Suit. I know, the lore is just silly.
Again, Vincent was a fan name for William years ago.
Like William does not have a brother that I know of, because Vincent is meant to be his brother. Well, it's a fan-made brother.
Next they're going to be saying that Vanny is one of the Afton kids and some other foolishness. Also, I bet that those 80% people are GACA-tubers and those who dislike the current Five Nights at Freddy's lore.
If someone likes Vincent, just play the Return to Freddy's series amazing fan games, where the story of Vincent is explained, and the lore is even more complicated than in the Five Nights at Freddy's.
Fun fact, there is not even a character named Vincent on series. Not in main series or not in novel series. He is a fan-made character. Like a Bad Time Pacifist said, the people voted to Vincent is Glitchtrap is probably GACA-tubers. GACA-tubers don't believes to real FNAF lore, but there is some GACA-tubers believes. They even think there is a character named Christopher and he is Crying Child. This is just ridiculous. Plus, they think that Christopher is Shadow Freddy. Are they serious? They believes to those stupid theories. That's all from me.
Yat Miles Wolf Fight the Terrence is another one that if it's fan-made, it's really every GACA-tuber who thinks Terrence is Mike's old name and he got abused of people think that Terrence is the oldest kid and his parents killed him or it was a suicide. But if you believe in one of those theories, I'm not trying to be mean.
Yes. Terrence is another fan-made character made by GACA-tubers, probably. And I know you are not trying to be mean. I don't believe those theories. I just believe the theories confirmed by Scott and fandom theories.
Anyway, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you later, mortals.